Good morning. It is 10:40 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and we are on the 1 hour EURUSD chart. As you can see, we had a little bit of a pullback all the way back down to the 15,322 level. Now, that level is very important because that was where a square out happened a couple of weeks ago. And so I keep it on the chart to help me identify strong resistance and support levels. And in this case, it served as a good support level for me because I could have easily been knocked out of the trade. I'm still in there, just a smidgen of a pip in the positive, but I suspect that it's going to continue on the upward trend. This morning at 9:42 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we had a moon conjunct Mercury at 0.85 degrees. And that gave us this little bit of a push to the upside. And conjunctions are pretty generally gentle movements, gentle momentum movement. So that helped me get back on the plus side of things in my trade. However, price did not surpass that 50 point, that 0.5% level on the retracement. Price rejected that and came back to the downside. Now, does that mean that, it's going to push further down? I don't know. But what I see is something additional to what's happening here. And so I want to draw for you what I see. I sometimes have a tendency to identify immediately patterns in the candles, in the candle movements. And I see a head and shoulders forming. So I'm going to draw in a head and shoulder that I see forming here, starting with this shoulder. Okay, now we are on the head, and it looks like we might get a little bit of a pullback for the second shoulder rebuild. And then, boom, there we are, back at my 61.8 level for the projection. That is where I expect a breakout to come to the upside. But again, this is just projection. This is not trading advice. This is just my view of the charts. Okay, my opinion on what I think could happen. So that's where we are right now at this market check-in. I am in the positive, which is really good. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, I really would love to have you on a regular basis. And I would also like for you to check out the links in the description for the free course, and also check out the book on Amazon, Trading with the Stars. Have a great trading session. Talk to you soon.